Samson again.
What's that?
That's Samson too. With his hair cut off, he's not strong anymore. Should never want a haircut.
What's that? What's that?
Yeah, they're sad.
It's not like God.
No, they like God.
Huh?
They're sad because her husband died.
They're happy.
They're happy to be together.
They're walking.
Mm-hmm.
It's sad.
Yeah. She wants a baby.
Huh?
She wants a baby.
Baby. Now has a baby. Happy baby. A baby boy.
Mm-hmm.
Happy. They're happy.
Yeah.
What's that name?
Eli.
Eli? What's that name?
Samuel.
Samuel?
Mm-hmm.
What's that name?
Saul.
Saul?
No, that's Samuel. Sorry.
Happy.
Mm-hmm.